Good day, everyone. My name is Rogerant Tshibangu, and I'm here to talk to you about how to stay productive during this lockdown period. I'm one of the ADO in the College of AES, and I'm based in Westfield campus. As human, we are used to be very busy. When you wake up in the morning, you have so many things to do in a day. For example, you wake up in the morning, you have to run to a shower, go to class, fetch a bus or your public transport or private your own car, go to class. From one class, you need to run to another class or to a break, and then you need to go to the library, get yourself something to eat, meet up with some friend, go to the gym, and go to a prayer session, go for a swimming class, go for a music class, or whatever that you have to do. And then many of us required time management skills to manage how to do everything at once, how to multitask and not leave something behind. But now things have changed. We are completely talking about something completely different from what we used to have. And this is because of this lockdown that we are currently facing now. Because of the coronavirus, everybody's in their houses. You have to stay in your flat, you have to stay in your apartment, you have to stay in your room, in your flat, wherever you are. You can't go anywhere. No more running from one building to another, no more running from one place to another. You have to stay and do everything that you want to do from your place. Just to tell you that it's not only us that are affected, everybody across the world, we are all affected. From politicians, pastors, priests, anyone, everyone, young, old, we are all facing this thing. Now, for students, it could be tricky. You and I sitting here like, okay, now I have classes. I used to go from one class to another. Now you have to watch your lecture in class. I mean, from home. You need to open Moodle for you to check what did the lecture do, what am I supposed to do. Now there is no more face-to-face tutorial. You have to do it online. So you realize that everything now is depending on you. You don't know what will happen at the end of the semester. Will I pass? Will I fail? Things are uncertain. It's very scary as a student. And it's easy to be unproductive when you're at home, because you at home, you don't go anywhere. Day after day after day, it's easy to be lazy. It doesn't require a lot of effort. You can easily be lazy if you do not put some guideline on how to deal with this pandemic, this period, how to deal with it. You will easily be unproductive. Here are some few tips that I'm gonna give you on how to survive during this period. Okay, now first thing first, make sure that you wake up every day, take a shower, dress up as if you are going somewhere. That will give you a purpose of doing something. Your mind will be programmed that I need to do something, I need to do something. Not that I need to go somewhere, but when you are dressed up, you feel the need of doing something. Because when you stay on your pajamas, you will just lay around in bed up until the next day start. But wake up, shower, dress up as if you're going somewhere, you will see that you want to do something with your life. Second thing is, make a to-do list. To-do list is very important. Every evening before you go to bed, write down, what am I gonna do tomorrow? What am I gonna do tomorrow? A, B, C, D. You have classes in online now. You know that everything's moved online. So from this time to this time, I'm attending classes. From this time to this time, I'm attending my academic support. From this time to this time, I'm with my family, maybe doing some house chore or whatever. From this time to this time, it's time for me to eat. So you know what you are doing. Prioritize using this matrix here. You see on the first corner, we have something that is urgent and something that's important. You must do it now. You and I'm telling you, what is important, what is urgent is your schoolwork. Try to do it right there and there. The next corner is what is important but it's not urgent. You can always postpone it. Do it a little bit later. That is not, it's not urgent, but it's very important. You will do it, but not just now. Okay. On this other corner, we have something that is urgent but is not important. There you can, if you don't have to do it, you can delegate somebody, but if you have time, you can do it. But otherwise, then find somebody who can do it for you. Are we together so far? Now, on the last corner, we have something that is not important and it's not urgent. Just don't do it. Leave it. Unfortunately, that's where all of us are. Everybody wants to do what is not important and what's not urgent. You will see people on their phones, you'll doing WhatsApp or Twitter or whatever or Instagram every day, all day. Not important, not urgent. Just don't do it. Don't waste your time with that. Okay. This is a schedule that I want you to be using every day. So you know from Monday to Sunday, what am I doing in the morning? What did I do this morning? What am I going to do in the afternoon? What am I going to do in the evening? So during this period, most of our lectures and whatnot online, they're all in the morning. So you know that most of your mornings, you will be doing lectures, you will be attending lectures, you'll be watching and going for Moodle chat and whatnot with your lecture, with your tutor and whatnot. So you know that is taken. Afternoon, what am I doing? Evening, what am I doing? And at night, of course, you sleep. But I know some of you will want to do then some night shift, some work because of you have night shift after. So you also put it there. So you know what's happening every day at every time. Kuti, in the morning is this, in the afternoon is this, by the time it's evening is this, and night shift, this is what I'm doing. Another tip is make sure that you have time to get out of your house for an hour or 30 minutes or whatever to get yourself some fresh air. Go for a jog, go for a walk, just get out, okay? Because staying in one place forever and ever, your mind will be blocked, you'll be like suffocated. So try to get out, refresh your brain, just walk, but also respect the rules that have been given. If they say social distancing 2 meters away from each other, try to respect that. If they say you need to put on a mask, try to respect that, but try to get out and get some fresh air. Thing that I want you to do is to set a place that this is my study corner. So this is the corner whereby I'm gonna study, not in your bed because you're gonna sleep. Just a small corner in your house where you're gonna find a table, you're gonna find a desk or whatever. Like this is the corner where all the study will be going to. So it's a place where you can focus and a place where everything can go down properly. Another thing that I want you to do is to be aware of all the online tools that are available and how they work. Okay, don't be ignorant. Make sure that you know that we have Moodle, for example, we have Zoom, we have, some of you use WhatsApp. All the online tools that are available, try to know how they work, how to use them, because you don't want to be falling behind because you don't know how to use a particular software. Try to learn and how they work. There are a lot of videos on a tutorial on how to use all these things online. Try to learn them. It's very, very, very important. That's it for now. I would recommend you to watch the next video where we'll be talking about how to manage your time during this period. So thank you and see you on the next video.